There we go. It's gonna be a good one.
Wonder how long it's gonna take to burn through the ball
Not long.
and let all the water fluid come out.
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. Wow. Are they both exploded?
That one's still burning. Look at that blue one over there.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, should we put it out?
You think it's exploded yet?
Yeah. We have to
Yeah.
put it out. Yeah, look, it's still shooting out. That blue one is.
Yep.
What, Jacob? What?
Okay, maybe we shouldn't use so much lighter fluid. That was fun. There's still random balls in there now.
No, dude, look, I got that lighter right in there. Not lighter, what is it?
Battery?
Battery, there we go. Grandma! Don't!
She can't reach.
Don't!